Hello, everyone. I'm going to do a quick analysis on Bitcoin, the BTCUSDT chart, taking data from Binance. I'll be using ICT's concepts to use my analysis. Without further ado, let's go ahead. I'm going to start on the monthly time frame. Okay, we see a monthly BISI created here, aka monthly bullish fair value gap. And just for annotations, I'm going to put another monthly SIBI here, which may be used later as a possible zone for price to return to. Okay, so here we have a gap being created and price shooting down and price coming into the gap, and now we've expanded here. Let's move down to the weekly for more context. Also a weekly gap, and we saw a good reaction, and it seems like price is beginning to move up. We can't see much on this time frame. There are no gaps available, so let's go down to a lower time frame. We'll just go straight to the daily chart. All right, so things to note, things that I've noticed. We have a daily SIBI created here inside a nested wick, which is usually quite high probability for a reaction. So I'm just going to annotate one more BISI here on the daily. Okay, SIBI here, BISI here, and let's see what some possible scenarios are and what's taking place right now. So we have an order block created here. Price came into the monthly, consolidated, expanded, found support at this high, created this order block. Price came into it, almost to the midpoint, and started expanding up. So it seems to me like we're going to start moving up. What's possible that may happen is price come into here, into this daily SIBI, and retrace all the way down here. And one of two things, either start doing a bit of consolidation, whatever, or if it's a fast move during news, or it just so happened to be one of those fast dump and pumps on Bitcoin, it may just come up straight away. And this would be one scenario if we were moving higher. Another scenario is if we get a daily that closes decently above this gap. So if we get a daily candle that comes above, has a nice close above, anywhere above the gap, we can possibly use that as support to then move higher. But if we do not close above and we still continue to not close above in consequent candles and we create SIBIs on lower time frames, then we're looking to possibly come down here. We'll go back to the weekly to see where that is. We can see that small breaker, aka order block down here. So that may be a possibility for a retracement. We'll see if there's a gap created here as well on the next week, as we might come into there. We'll have to wait for this week to close. All right, the bearish scenario would be most likely coming into here as well and closing below, coming back up into this BISI as an inversion fair value gap, and then moving lower to a deeper discount. All right, so this would be the bearish scenario, and the black would be, we can just paint it green, I guess, would be the bullish scenarios on Bitcoin. So that's what I'm currently looking for. And I'll be waiting for these daily candles to close. Once they close, or when price gets into here, I'll be looking for a lower time frame, such as the 4-hour, 2-hour, maybe 1 hour, to form some CBs if we were indeed to move lower, or to just expand higher, close on the daily, form a BISI on a lower time frame as well, where it would be a nice area to take along. Okay, so that's my analysis for Bitcoin. Let's see what happens, and yeah, till next time, happy trading. R2F signing out.